Di siya, Andrea to.
Okay, hi. Where are you from, Andrea?
California.
California. You having a nice time here, vacation?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, really? Are you married? Are you have a boyfriend?
No, single.
Single! Wow!
Single ko mga to.
Single. So you don't have a boyfriend right now?
No.
Are you looking for one?
Yeah.
What kind of a guy you want? What kind of a guy?
Tall and cute.
Tall and cute? Okay. Sige, parang talagang ayaw sa akin ito. Good luck, Michael! Are you
Tall
okay?
and cute.
Alright.
Tama!
Ano kasi, pisa pala si, DJ OG ba yun?
Biko, Chinese garter o Jack Stone. Alin ang kailangan ng bola?